Go big or go home, because this property is a true definition of living large. Located just 30 minutes drive away from Canggu, this villa sits on an astonishing 12,898 square meters of land with an HGB title, offering more than 2,800 square meters of living space all in one level. With a mix of modern and traditional elements, this villa includes amenities like 10 bedrooms and suite bathrooms, living and dining area which are all enclosed, wet kitchen, and even a tennis court. Talk about amenities. As you enter, a private driveway leads you into the main building where you are greeted by a spacious reception area. Let's start our journey here. The first thing you notice is the scale of the home. And now, beyond the double doors, we are stepping into the formal living room, an impressive space with soaring vaulted ceilings. The centerpiece of this room would be these massive wooden tables surrounded by plush sofas, and above, elegant light fixtures provide warm ambience. The room feels open and airy, and it is a perfect place for relaxation and entertainment. And next, we move into the dining area. Again, the focal point of this area will be this massive wooden table that can easily accommodate up to 16 guests. So, whether you're having an intimate dinner or having a lavish party, this place has you covered. Looking around, rustic furniture enhances the character of the room, adding an inviting charm. There's also a media room and a private office. Both are easily accessible from this area. Additional information for the office space, it is currently set up as a makeshift bedroom. And now, let's head into the kitchen. Hidden behind the bar that is located between the living and dining area lies a true chef's paradise. The kitchen is spacious with plenty of rooms for movement and storage. There's this large island with under cabinets for storage, and additionally, the countertop is made of granite, adding to its functionality. Furthermore, this kitchen is also equipped with 2 refrigerators, 2 ovens, custom built-in appliances, making this kitchen a dream for anyone who loves to cook or to entertain. And now, let's talk about the bedrooms, specifically the master bedrooms. Both rooms are located across from each other, providing privacy while still being close by. Additionally, both rooms offer direct access to the front lawn and the first swimming pool. Stepping into each room, you'll be wowed by the spaciousness and luxurious design. The walk-in closet leads you into the main bedroom, which seamlessly flows into the ensuite bathroom. Behind the master bedrooms or master suites, there are 2 additional bedrooms. While slightly smaller, they are just as beautifully appointed and features an ensuite bathroom. Further down by the dining area, you can also find 2 more bedrooms, bringing the total number in this building to 6. Let's now explore the other side of this property. Over here, you'll discover the second swimming pool, a massage place right in front of it, and a traditional Joglo-style building that houses one more bedroom with an ensuite bathroom. And for those of you who love working out, there is a gym that's situated beneath this pool. I believe it's a perfect space for you to exercise with the view over the green forest right in front of it. While we are here, let's take a moment to appreciate just how beautiful the outdoor space of this property. I mean, we have well-manicured garden, and one notable feature that I almost forgot to mention is the river right on that side. You can basically hear the sound of water gushing through the river, which actually creates this sense of natural ambience. It's just perfect. Now, further down the property, we have another Joglo which houses 2 more bedrooms. It is currently set up as an independent unit away from the main building, which it houses an additional kitchen, dining area, living area, its own pool, so it is perfect for guests or set up as a rental property on its own. The property includes a carport, which can accommodate multiple cars and motorcycles. Now, should you ever need more rooms, there is one available by the carport, perfect for guests. Now let's mention about one feature that really worth mentioning, which is the tennis court right here. Whether you are playing a casual match with your friends or hosting your own mini tournament, having your own court is a luxury like no other. The possibilities are endless. This property is truly massive, and it deserves someone to truly appreciate and enjoy its beauty. If you think that someone might be you, don't hesitate, reach out to the number down below. Exclusively listed with Bali real estate consultants at a land value of $3.45 million, this villa offers a lifestyle like no other. So, what do you think about this incredible property? Drop your comments down below. As always, thank you so much for staying until the end of the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future video of ours. My name is Bagus from Bali Real Estate Consultants. I'll see you in the next video.